We were talking about that earlier, Andrew. I can't say I'm particularly planning on playing it. I mean, I don't play Valorant, do I? I've never played CSGO. I feel like I've got about 8 people flying with me. Which, considering there's nothing actually at this site, is a bit... I want to run some ballistic. I wasn't particularly planning on running a ballistic, to be honest. I mean, maybe I'll play one game just to have a look at it, but... I think anyone that's played CSGO or Valorant is gonna have so much of an advantage. Sounded like someone was fishing. Someone's in the car over there, do you see? With the... behind that car from there. You're very excited to play it. Excellent. Excellent. I'm assuming that you probably have played FPS games before? What did that message say? It's more going to look like CSGO, because... Oh no, someone's coming this way. Go, go. There's literally no reason for you to come over here.